Hey Ann, I'm back in New York City. The little time we had in Tsum Valley, and when we went to my birthplace house, the tour was, I think it really moved me, and it was also one of the highlight moment of the trip. And when I was interacting with you, I think I felt the same enthusiasm about restoring the old ancient sites or like places or house like mine. So it kind of motivated me to actually give a serious thought about it. So I don't know what's the future holds, but let's see if I can restore my birthplace house. And after that, I met you in the lecture in Kirtipur. No, not Kirtipur. Kirtipur is where I interned. Next to Kirtipur, it was one of the oldest city. I forgot the name, but anyway, the lecture I attend was. You're welcome. Take care. Good to see you. What's that?
The bread this weekend?
Yes, I'm working on it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Anyway, that was my customer. So the lecture I attend was very, very, very informative, and I learned a lot. And one thing I learned from, like, it's a bit embarrassing to admit it, but like I have seen Thangka whole my life, but I never knew the reason of why we have Thangka. The way you explained during the lecture, it made me realize or came to know that why we have Thangka. That was great. Also, I had some questions that always been in my back of the head, and that day I got the opportunity to ask you all the questions, and I got my answer, which was very knowledgeable. And the lecture whole, even though it's a 3 hour or 4 hour of time, and I never had a moment where I felt like, okay, kind of like I'm bored or anything. It was exciting, each topic, so it was fun, which I thank you so much, and hope to see you soon. And if you are ever in New York City, just come say hi to me. We are Queens girls, so yeah, hope to see you soon. Bye bye, take care.